Here's a fun text to get from your buddy right when you just get back to your house. Are you at our house? Yeah, what's up? Preston from Planet Junk is broke down in your driveway. And then I'm waiting for the photo to load. And then, no tire. Missing studs. Just sat down on the couch. So I rolled back off the couch. Got some boots on. And this is what I find down there. Alright, let's see what the heck is going on down here. One of the junk removal contractor guys, he's got an operation located down the street. He's not in good shape down here. I guess a wheel fell off his rig. I was just gonna pull his trailer sideways, but let's see what the situation here is. Might have to go get a truck. Looks like he's detaching the rig. Okay, I'm gonna grab the floor jack. Oh, there's way over there. Because we got a situation out there, literally right in front of the driveway. I got home 3 minutes ago. Wait till you guys see this. Not good. All right, we got a crowd drawing. You want to pop some lug nuts off? A blind corner here, folks. Might take your triangles and go up the road a little bit more. Maybe we can snap that one stud off.
Well, they were having a problem aligning my truck too, so I'm wondering if I had to drive it home one day. I'm wondering if
Because you had 2 lug nuts were missing, 6 were loose, beating it up.
2 couldn't be missing because 2 were locked.
They were gone.
Yeah.
They weren't doing nothing there. And maybe those, oh, you know what? Maybe those are the last ones.
Yeah.
And it snapped those.
Snapped them, yeah.
So he's coming around that curve right in front of the house, and literally whatever lug nuts were still on some of the studs, well, those studs gave out. Tire went crashing off. Actually, I think it went up on the bank right before my house. So came up with the idea, snag a couple lug nuts off the remaining, which is still on the other 3 tires, I guess, and see if we can thread them back on here so we can at least get this truck off the shoulder. And, well, the trailer is actually in the way of the road. Well, at least it left a couple studs on there. Oh, look at that. Even I hope that's not all that gun's got.
No. I'm just not trying to
don't.
anything else on it.
Yeah, get at least 2 of them to hold something. Ugh. Here comes old Jimbo. Why don't you run traffic controller, big guy? Oh, brother. Well, 3 studs were broken off, and one was bent, so I smacked it around. Oh, it's locked up. Try to back up, see what it does. Oh, damn it. Try to curb it. Hopefully that loosened it up. Yeah. Oh.
Let me get the trailer out of the way, and then we can, yeah, then, because you can drive, if the tire stays in that grime right there in the ditch, then it can kind of skid its way
Yeah,
up
let's
there.
get it back, yeah.
Let me go get the tractor. Well, we thought we had a plan, but I think some of the studs backed off and went in there. The one that I bent over, put another lug on that and sucked it up, but it still goes a little bit and then locks up. So something's not happy in the brake department. So luckily, got the tractor right here. I'm gonna put the trailer hitch thing on the front and move his trailer out of the way and try getting his truck out of the road. And he can just TLC the thing right there. Where's the hitch? Is that it? Okay, we're good. That's close. Clear? Move the scotch. You got that scotch right there? Are we drawing a crowd over here? What's going on? What the heck? Rush hour on the corner here. Good. As long as this thing doesn't go sideways on us here. Where all these cars come from? Well, honestly, that wasn't as bad as I thought. That worked out just about perfect where he stopped. I'd get the loader arm underneath the front of this thing without getting the tractor out on the road, because that's what I really didn't want to do. I couldn't get in there with the pickup to do that. You saw how much traffic's going on up there. That is a 20-yard bend. I'm going to leave this jalopy right here, see if we can get his truck out of the road. That was worth it. Ha! Oh, there you go. Whatever that did. That kicked it out. Yeah. I don't know. No, something's dragging. Just, you can back it down in there and just work on it here. There's that one that I hit with a hammer. Put it in 4 low and you're good. That's just that cable. So he was just saying that he went to Les Schwab 2 days ago. The only reason I'm throwing that name out there is because they refused my business a couple years ago. Man, I literally just got home too. People started texting that he was there. And then one reason I said that was Les Schwab is because he went in the other day for an alignment. They couldn't get the locking lug nuts off. They didn't have the tool for it. So I guess they just gave up, and those are the ones that are broken off and gone. 2 days. That's how long it took for the loose lug nuts to fail and snap the studs off. So hopefully Les Schwab comes through with some stuff, because that put him in a shitty spot really quick. Like I said though, I mean, it's right in the middle of my driveway. That was lucky. And then lucky that I was home. So he's gonna go get some parts and see if he can get it fixed up tonight. Told him just leave it down by the shop. I got his trailer in here. Good deed, folks. Good deed. So this is the guy that I was telling you in one of my videos, and I don't know, a couple rounds ago when I got a Ford. He used to run a 3rd gen 5.9 Dodge, and I mean, it's just crew cab long box like this, but he traded in and got this rig, and oh, it is a 350 single wheel. I didn't know that. I thought it was 250, but he uses that truck for sure. And he's got this heavy freaking duty dumpster trailer here. I'm gonna end this part of the video here. Maybe we'll see some carnage. I'll put that in towards the end if there's anything that he films or shows, but that was a riot. Lucky situation, just barely on off the road that didn't get in the way of traffic. It's crazy how people are still in a hurry with the emergency triangles out and everything. People still want to floor it going by you, get close to you. It's frustrating. I don't know where I learned it, but it's like if you're on the highway and somebody's broke down, obviously if you don't have the option to move over the other lane for safety reasons, I can understand that. But when the coast is clear, or you're on a, you know, you got 2 lanes, go to the other lane. Back up a little bit, geez.
I'm gonna ask you, can I pay you to?
Well, the old boy went and got some parts from some auto parts store. Got all these studs, lug nuts, and the rotor. Go hook onto the trailer and get out of here. Well, we almost added to it. The gate would close and it wouldn't let me hit the combo. That was neat.
Curious to read your comments. See you guys on the next one. Later.